Hey everybody. Any of you know the Snoopy dance from the Peanuts? Well, if I could, I'd be doing the Snoopy dance right now. We've had standing water. We've had pools of water on the ground. We had a thunderstorm like you wouldn't believe. The ground was just soaking. There were rivers of water flowing. We got caught off guard. And we were too busy rushing around putting stuff away, and then by then I was soaked so bad I dried myself off. I'm so happy. We haven't had proper rain in about a month. I know my videos have shown hints of rain and threat of rain and dark clouds on the horizon and little sprinkles now and then, but we've never had a soaker. We haven't had a ground soaking rain or anything to amount to anything in a month, and now it's raining the second time. Over here, look, you can see where the water pooled. I'm standing in it and I'm loving it. You can see here pools of water, and it's raining again. I'm so happy. You can see where it was all pooling here, all the stuff from the trees. It's starting to rain pretty good. I'm gonna I might have to go in. It's starting to thunder. I might have to come back. We did a road trip today and got some cement blocks, and there's going to be a lot more in that. And we're going to use that for some raised beds and another project I have always dreamed of. We're getting about maybe 400 cement blocks for free. We went and did that today after we recovered from the heat. It was brutally hot, and the ground was dry, absolutely dry. Look at that. I love it. I'm so happy. I think the camera's steaming up. And then we went to the Amish, and I'm holding the camera down intentionally because of the rain. We got some topsoil for Melanie. She's going to have a rice paddy. She's growing rice. And I think it's cool, and I'd love to see it succeed. So we got her some Amish soil, which she wants. She's determined that that's the way, that's the best for her garden. I'm going to use our garden soil for the rest of my beds. But we got our load, but we got home and we recovered from the heat a bit, and then it rained. So this is where it sits for now. I've got to get a trailer for tomorrow so we can get the rest of these blocks. There's like 400 blocks, and I can only hold 30 on the truck at any given time. There's little breaks in the rain. There's little thunderstorms. I'm so happy. I can only hold 30 blocks to a load on the truck at one time. So that's nothing. That's not going to put a dent in it. And it's an hour away, one way, the trip. It is worth it though when we get a trailer and we can haul a bunch at once. So we're going to be doing that tomorrow. Hopefully I'm going to get a trailer and haul them home in about 4 loads. 400 cement blocks, that's almost $800. With tax, it'll be about $800 worth. Definitely worth getting. Instead of building a raised bed with wood that will rot with time, I can build a raised bed with cement that will never rot. Well, driving around today, I got some pink Himalayan salt crystals for health. It has been so hot and so humid, and we sweat so much, that I got the salt crystals to put under my tongue or in my water as I work to help replenish salt and nutrients from dehydration. It's bad out here recently. And I remembered from Australia that I used to have these around, and I would suck on them to help keep away the muscle cramps and the pain and the aches from the heat. Well, you know it's hot when someone from the Philippines is complaining it's too hot. Again and again and again when we work. We took 18 cement blocks. No, probably, what did we take? 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, 18 cement blocks. And we made a raised bed. And then we scooped Amish topsoil into it. And I don't know what else she's got going on here. She put her rice in the middle. And then she put some other things in there as well. I'm not sure why she did it like that. She has actual rice, real rice, growing and put that in there. And then eventually we'll probably put strawberries in each hole in the cement blocks. But that was a quick and easy raised bed. It was really quick and easy to put together. The not so easy part was the sweat and humidity. It's probably about 85% humidity outside, and because it rained, and then the sun came out and it was in the 80s, so it was hot. It was. I'm still soaking wet from it. She's showering right now, and it's hot. It's hot, but yeah, we plug along and we're getting stuff done. Regardless, it's just slower. It's a lot slower than I'd like. But there's a bed, another raised bed, and well, with mulch and everything else, it'll fill up with time. Well, these already are filled. This filled up nicely. Our strawberry bed. We were eating strawberries from it. So we'll get it. We've got 4 beds in a row now on here on this strip. And then I'll have the subdividing fences and then an outer fence. We went and ran chicken wire to keep the birds out all along the whole perimeter of the fence. And then we keep putting up our raised beds, and then with time I'll get the entire area fenced off. I'm not sure what I think of that one yet, that piece. I'm still looking at it and giving it some thought. Not sure yet. Tell me what you think. But I just put that up just to see how it would look. And there's an idea of using sawmill slabs. But we'll get it. And then we're mulching. We're going to mulch heavily around every bed so there won't be any weeds or grass. There's a lot of junk here because I just weed whacked that area before we put the bed in. Well, there's another day done. They go fast out here at the homestead. The days go fast. Well, thanks for watching. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Please like, subscribe, and share, and follow our daily videos as we strive to become fully self-sufficient and off the grid on a budget. We're putting in more plants than we ever had before this year. Trying a different method. See what happens. Talk to you later.